What I've been seeing, there's this guy who came from Russia. He does 2 sets of windows. One is completely untinted and one is as dark as you want it. So, and the switch does both. It puts up one single glass of clear, so when the cops come pull you over or if you need inspection, and then it goes down, the other one comes up and it's tinted. It's pretty cool. This car belongs to one of our favorite customers, Pauly. He's here today picking up. We're just finishing up some odds and ends. This car is insane. Most people get driven in this car, but Pauly drives this car. Yeah, we did a ceramic coating, a couple other things, fixed up that front bumper for him, as we shot in the video before. I absolutely love this. We've got a 992 here, getting cleaned up, getting ready to go, just getting that battery back up to 100%. Sweet Alfa Romeo Tonale, brand new car, first one in the shop, really excited to see this. Interesting, I don't know how I feel about it yet, but pretty cool. Porsche Taycan over here, getting situated, getting finished up. Beautiful black metallic paint, get it assembled, get it washed and detailed, get it back to a happy customer. Here up on the lift, we have this M5, not an M5, but an M5 Tribute. This is a regular 5 Series. The customer had us do some bumpers, some fenders, get this thing looking sick. Really excited to show you guys this once it's all done. And moving over here, detail bay, got a Hyundai Tucson. A lot of people think that we shy away from the lower end economy cars. We don't. We do everything. We built this business 40 years fixing everything, and we will still fix everything. Bring your car in, we'll fix it. Welcome to the future. That's wild. These are the Falcon Wing doors on a Tesla Model X. This car is just getting finished up. One of the things that I like to tell people is what sets us apart here at J&B Body Works is our final touches. We have somebody dedicated, their whole job is going to be going through this car piece by piece, not only checking what we repaired, but checking to see if there's anything else that needs to be worked on. If you have a dent or a scuff or a scratch, if it's something that we can take care of, 99.9% of the time, we're gonna do it for you. This car is sick. It looks like some sort of ridiculous transformer. I like it. What do you guys think? COVID, everybody was leaving the city. Oh. And sorry, Dad. My fault. Awesome. And a lot of people went into Connecticut, and that's in where I'm in Stanford. They put up all these buildings, and everyone's leaving, going back to the city.
Oh, really?
It's crazy. They just put up 200 apartments in my complex, and they're cutting prices like crazy because everyone's leaving. We're in the prep department. We are trying to get this car to the finish line. A lot of work. As you can see here, we've taken apart everything on the car, and now they are just prepping it and getting ready to go in the booth. This is a big job, but it's gonna look perfect and professional once it's done. Now, we've got a really nice car that I think a lot of people overlook. Beautiful S60 Volvo with the blackout package. I love this car. When we're in a rush, we try to get as many cars cleaned as possible. We got 2 bays working at the same time to wash cars. We got this sick Ram, completely blacked out. Did a hood and some fender and bumper work on this car. This car is looking clean as hell. Really nicely done. I like big trucks. Not everybody does. It's a taste. What do you guys think? It's just a snapshot of what's going in the shop today.